If you can't perform this maneuver in a manual car comfortably, you better cancel your driving assessment. So you got to get to the hill and try not to use the brake pedal. So no brake, find the friction point and then repeat it several times, okay? So this is not going to ruin your clutch 100%. So if it's low revs, it's going to be perfectly fine, okay? So try not using your brake at all, okay? So we're not supposed to use the brake, just accelerator and the clutch pedal in order to become pretty good at this. Otherwise, you really need to cancel your driving assessment. Get your instructor or your private supervisor to help you practice on this a lot before you go for your manual driving assessment. So this is one of the things that every candidate going for the PDA should know. So practice on this as much as you possibly can. So it's not going to damage your clutch at all. So, you know, as long as it's not too high revs. So listen to the sound. So if it starts to roll backwards, you find the friction point and then you repeat it as many times as you possibly can. So once again, if you can't perform this, do not take your driving assessment with manual transmission vehicle. So bring it on a nice hill. Just use your clutch and accelerator pedal without using your parking brake. So this is really important and it's not as difficult as it may appear. So, you know, once your car starts to roll backwards, bring the clutch to the friction point, seesaw it again, and repeat it as many times as you possibly can. There are many hills that you can find that don't have to be really steep, but you will understand the principle how we do this the best, okay? So good luck practicing hill starts without using your parking brake, and we will see you in the next video.